Hey everybody, Dave Fontaine here at Wayne Toyota with our 2019 Yaris Hatchback. This is our LE trim, just over 35,000 kilometers, excellent condition. Let me show you some of the features. Over here you have your 15-inch steel rims, Toyota hubcaps. Inside we've got cloth heated front seats, manually adjustable, CD player, completely Bluetooth, USB ports for charging. Some of the safety features that are currently offered are the lane departure alert, where it'll alert you when you drift out of your lane, your pre-collision system where it brakes for you in an emergency, and your automatic headlights and high beams. In the back here, for a small compact car, you got quite a bit of legroom. Those are your winter mats that it comes with, and the seats of course have a 60-40 split if you need a little more room. Backup camera right here. Open this up for you. Quite a bit of cargo space even with the second row up. And in the back here is where your spare, a little bit of cargo space. That's our 2019 Yaris LE. If you'd like to book a test drive or you have any questions, give me, Dave Fontaine, a call. I'd be happy to work with you. Thanks again for watching and take care.